The difference is this. Jared buyers enjoy global access and purchase many of our rough diamonds directly from the mines. That kind of buying power means I can pass that value on to you. Plus, our artisans cut and polish diamonds in our state-of-the-art facility.
I don't know, I'll check it.
And all of our diamonds come with a lifetime guarantee. And I promise that when you walk into a Jared, you'll find 5 times the selection of ordinary jewelry.
One more time.
With thousands of loose diamonds. Plus, my friendly, expert staff will help guide you toward the perfect gift that tells you exactly how you feel. So, there you have it. Diamonds, selection, service, and value. That, as the saying goes, is why he went to Jared.
Find a Jared
that
store
works.
or
No, I say it works.
Jared.com.
Defend your vehicle from harmful elements and the short side with Marlboro Chemistry Lights. Right now, the Riley Auto Parts with our Marlboro Chemistry Lights for free. How fast are Allegra gel caps? Is rate relief and lovey it fast? How strong are Allegra gel caps?
I ain't trying to be out with.
Non-drowsy Allegra gel caps give you noticeable relief of your toughest allergy symptoms. It starts working in just 1 hour, 2 times faster than Claritin's first dose. It stays strong for 24 hours. It's saying yes to pick up football with the guys strong. Allegra gel caps. Nothing's faster, nothing's stronger. Among OTC oral antihistamines. Use only as directed. Visit Allegra.com. The 2 for $5 deal at Burger King just got hotter. That's right, we just spiced it up with the new extra-long jalapeno cheeseburger. Feel the flame with 2 all-beef patties side by side, stacked with fiery jalapenos. They're like little green firecrackers exploding in your mouth. Oh yeah, did you mention you can get 2 sandwiches at Burger King for just $5? You can mix and match with the Big King, Big Fish, or original chicken sandwich. Only at Burger King. Limited time only. Price participation may vary. Prices higher in Alaska and Hawaii.
Advanced Auto Parts knows what makes a car guy a car guy. It's working through the unexpected surprises that spring up with every project. It's character.